the thumbnail. Don't know if this is an unboxing vid or what, but just enjoy it for what it is. Ignore the background. Ignore Charlie in the background doing work. Ignore the mess as well. Let's see what we got. By the way, this I don't know, is this an unboxing vid? I have no idea. I was sent this by Wahoo, more specifically the Wahoo call team. So we obviously use Wahoo products for our indoor riding. I've been needing / wanting a desk to hold my stuff to the side of me. And to be fair, I was gonna just get a cheap one off Amazon, but I thought, why not ask? Because it doesn't hurt to ask. And they sent me one, so thank you for sending me one. I will get a lot of use out of it. You can be rest assured of that. Better bearings out of my bike. Weird autofocus. Alright, we're back. I actually put the legs on the wrong way around.
Put it over here again. Final bit.
Voila! I see how it works now. Those little blue things cause the table to come out. Clever. Cue time lapse. Ooh, that's my kick. Doesn't like going around corners very well. It's like a Dalek. This is now he realised he should have built it in the room. Oh no. I do need a bit of a rejig so that I can get everything to work now in the setup I have. Because obviously it won't work like this, but the idea is I could have it to my side, and then I do have a fair bit of room behind the kicker to move the kicker back. So it's got at least like, I don't know, half a metre behind it, so I could go back, which gives me more room here, which makes things a lot more accessible and easier, because even though I have a desk there, it's harder to reach that much further. That's the only reason why I got it. And also I can do work, I can stand and do work, so it serves multiple purposes. But awesome, happy with that. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, so thank you Wahoo, thanks for watching. I'm probably going to edit this down, because I mean, what value are you going to get out of this, apart from the fact that you now probably want one, or you want something similar. I don't know, maybe if you want me to give you a tour of my Zwift setup, let me know. I guess that's a good follow on. Yeah, let me know if you want a tour of my Zwift setup slash space, even the stuff that's over here. I can do that.
I got 4 minutes in, but it took like 4 minutes for the video to get going, so I then paused it, left a comment, and then logged out of YouTube.
It has worked. Lord and I have had a success today, and that's what it's about. They're not successes.
Phil, man.
Big technology success.
You're brilliant.
Technology. Had a look for cycling. Now I can actually see the live chat properly. it's like it's. I don't know why I'm going closer to it. There we go. I can actually read the live chat. I don't know whether glasses are a thing in cycling or not. How about if I have a nice cardigan to cycle? Yeah, I'm going to get a little top.
That was just that was classic. That was classic. I was watching the live chat, and some of the names, I had to take a photo because some of the names were just brilliant for use in our I don't know, Star Wars / cycling podcast. Obi-Com Kenobi. Russell Lyle says R2DI2. Adam Harris, Combacker. Gazwagon C3 EPO. Anyway, Scott, you did a terrific job. Fair play to you. I've just realised now that there's nothing for you to watch in this video apart from me unboxing a Wahoo Kickr desk. Wait a minute, I have got something to show you that you might be interested in before you go. Alright, so you'll know, if you watched the last video, that I had some new goodies from a mechanic, i.e. bike washing stuff. So a load of stuff from Morgan Blue, which I've never used before, but a lot of professional teams use Morgan Blue. I've got loads of brushes in here. I've got, like, as you can see, the degreaser and like just general cleaning stuff. There's a couple of lubes in there as well. I also got one of these, which is a really handy chamois. Anyway, I cleaned the bike this morning and it's come out really well. So considering I haven't got an area to wash this bike, I had to wash it out the front, and I didn't think I'd be able to do it without a hose pipe or without a bucket or anything like that. And the bike has turned out really, really well indeed. Oh, eagle eyes. You might have seen this little bag I've got that I bought from Orcas, all the way from the Americas. Here's the proof of purchase. Obviously not used it yet, but I wanted something so that I don't have to have my big phone in my back pocket, so I can carry it there. And I like this new craze of little bags on the front. So anyway, yeah, I washed the bike outside and there was no problem at all. So any of you guys have to do that? Any of you in the same situation where you have to, you don't have a space, you don't have hose pipe, you don't have the stuff to wash your bike? If you're in the same situation, let me know. I'll show you how I did it. Yeah, I have to say I'm getting a little bit fed up of hearing the sound of my own voice when I'm not actually like riding my bike. I'm getting a little bit sick of it. I'm tired of it, and hopefully I can bring you some of the usual content again very soon. But I appreciate you sticking around anyway. The the OGs of you will be watching these vlogs because you're still interested, and I appreciate that. So until then, I'll see you next time.